Hello guys, I'm Wenwen. Welcome to Wenwen's Chinese Food Easy Home Cooking channel. So today I want to teach you guys how to cook a famous, delicious Chinese dish. Sour and spicy shredded potatoes. It is a very famous dish in China, but it's super easy to cook at home. It tastes a little bit sour and a little bit spicy, but if you don't like the spicy food, then you don't have to put any spicy in. It will still be very tasty. It's just a little bit salty and a little bit sour. Alright, let's first see what we have, the materials for this dish. Well, first we need a potato. Just one potato is enough. Especially you just cook for yourself. One potato is enough for one dish. And also, if this is the first time you are trying to cook this dish, just use one potato. Like a middle-shaped one, like, see, compared to my hand. Well, I do have a big hand of a small Chinese girl, but not too big, not too small, just a middle-shaped one potato. And next is a little carrot. Well, very little. Actually, we don't need it. Carrot is just for, it's not for the flavor. The carrot is just for the color. So if you don't have carrot, it's also fun. But next one is a spring onion. I have this leftover one from last night. So because we don't need that much, just like a spring onion. Yeah, you know it. And next one, garlic. One garlic. One is enough. And we also need this one, special one. This is a Sichuan peppercorn. It is very easy to buy in Asian store, but I don't think it sell normal in supermarket. It's very common in China to have this Sichuan peppercorn because a lot of dishes you need to use it. It's very special flavor. It's very tasty for Chinese people, but I think I'll show you guys how it looks. It's just like a red pepper, red and brownish pepper, like this. See? So we do need some. It will make the flavor more complex. Well, if you don't have to put it in. It will just taste more Chinese. And next one is like sesame oil. I don't know if you guys heard of it. It should, but some supermarkets selling it, but you can easily get it from Asian store. So if you don't have it, you can also use normal oil. So we just add a little bit with the normal oil, and it tastes better. Now, of course, we also need salt and vinegar. I bought this vinegar just in the supermarket. Well, right now I'm living in Germany, so I don't understand what it's called, but it is vinegar. I guess it's just a salad vinegar. So don't use some wine vinegar or something. Just use very like super normal vinegar. Yeah, vinegar. And the last one is chili. Again, if you don't like spicy food, you don't have to put it in. I use this kind of chili, like a dried chili. Actually, for this dish, I only use one, is enough. I saw it selling in supermarket as well, so it's just like dried chili. And you can use it also for the color, for the taste, if you can eat spicy food. Alright guys, let's go for it then. So we first peel the potato and we cut into slices. And the slice need to be cut quite thin, like around 2 or 3 millimeter is the best. So after cut it all into slices, then we shred it into small pieces, like a much thinner version of French fries. Well, the shape is quite important because it can make the flavor even better. So you just have to cut it right, like a 2 or 3 millimeter French fries is the best. Then we need to wash it at least 3 times and leave it in water for half an hour. It's a quite necessary step to do so, otherwise the potato will stick into the bottom of the pan. Alright, then we use this time to prepare spring onion, garlic, and carrot. And we also need to make the sauce. First, the light soya sauce. Sorry guys, I think I forgot to introduce the light soya sauce at the beginning. Okay, then we put some vinegar and salt. And the last one, add a little bit of water. Well, you can have a taste of the sauce first, adjust it a bit for your own flavor. Then we put the dried potato all together with the rest of the food. Okay, we are ready to cook now. We put sunflower oil first and a cup of sesame oil with it. Prepare the dried chili and Sichuan peppercorns in my hand. We need to wait for the oil is super hot and then put them in. I'm sure you can already smell it. A lot of people don't like the Sichuan pepper in their mouth. If you are afraid it will taste weird, you can get rid of it when it's getting dark. I don't mind, so I will leave it. And once it's getting dark, it's the best timing to put the rice in. This dish is super easy to make, but timing is everything. Now, only one thing you need to do is stir it as much as possible for about 40 seconds to 1 minute. Then we put the sauce in. Keep on stirring it until the sauce is almost all absorbed. That's it. It looks quite good, isn't it? Okay, I'm behind the scene talking now because I cannot wait to try it. The potato is between creamy and crispy. Very good structure. Oh, the sour taste is so great. Mine is not spicy, just a little bit of flavor. Yeah. Isn't it easy? Don't you guys want to try it? Okay, just try it. I'll see you guys in next video. Bye bye!